If you're someone that enjoys doing your nails at home like I do, then you're gonna want to keep on watching. I like to thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. This is a nail drill machine. It is actually portable. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing it and testing it out, showing you everything that is included inside your box when you receive your portable nail drill. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the M50 Pro. So the one I have right here is in the color white, but it is available in a variety of colors. It does have a total of 12 different nail drill bits. So take a look. They come in a little plastic container like this. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up just to show you. This is what they look like, and has the sanders down here. So this is the portable nail drill machine. Take a look. It does have this knob right here, so you're able to adjust it. It has your forward and reverse, and it also has a pause right here. So you go ahead and put F or R depending on the direction that you want your nail drill bit to spin. And this is what it looks like. It's actually not too heavy, but not too light either. This is in silver, and it does have a lock and unlock right here. So this is what's going to go ahead and lock your nail drill bits into place. On the bottom here, it does have the power cord option. And this is the top. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. This is also included. It is your nail drill machine product manual. So it's going to go ahead and walk you through the product, what you are getting, how to properly use it, what is included. So you can see it does have an LCD screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and power it on now just to show you what that looks like. To power it on, you wanna simply just turn the knob. As you can see, it is on, and you see that LCD screen. And here you are able to control that. All right, so you also get another little box, and in this box you get the additional nail drill bits. So take a look. Also, again, they come in this little plastic box. This is what they look like, and so you could go ahead and swap them out. If you're like me, you like doing your nails at home, then this is perfect. I like how portable it is. It is lightweight, and this is the little power. This is actually going to be what's going to connect your drill into the machine. So you want to go ahead and use these two. And again, it is portable, but this is what's going to go ahead and give it the power. So this is what's going to actually be giving it the power. So it's going to go ahead and connect. You want to go ahead and connect these two right here. Now on the top side here, I do want to just show you briefly, that is where you will be charging it up, and a power cable is included. So as you can see, this is the power cable. It is a Type-C to USB. So I've already turned it on. As you can see, now it has power. And to swap them out, it is so simple. Simply unlock this, and you could go ahead and slide this out and swap it out with whichever nail drill bit you want to go ahead and use. So I'm going to just use one of these sanders. So I'm going to select this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the sander on the top, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and slide that in. It is so simple. Lock it into place, and you are ready to go. So now you want to go ahead and turn this on, and depending on the direction, whether you want to go forward or back, you could simply go ahead and press it. As you can see, it has the R, it's in reverse, and if you press the other one, it is in F, which is forward. And to pause, you want to just go ahead and press on this, and the speed is right here. So again, that's 0, and it goes all the way up to 40. So you go ahead and simply adjust it with the knob. I have it at 10 right now. It is nice, lightweight. So if you've been on the lookout for a portable nail drill, one that's lightweight, one that comes with multiple nail drill bits, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you so you can check it out for yourself. And also, please make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.